How to create unique background music for your AI generated videos to make it stand out and elevate your videos. Hi creatives, my name is Somi and welcome back to my YouTube channel AI by Som. And on this channel, I teach you everything about AI and tech. So if this sounds like a vibe to you, kindly hit the subscribe button. Also like this video, share and drop me a really nice comment. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the channel. You guys are the real MVPs. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to generate your background music from scratch using AI. So now, let's say your video is ready. All you have to do is to input your story in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will help you generate the lyrics of your music. So let me show you how to do this. So first thing first, open your browser, head over to ChatGPT and paste the summary of your story. So this is exactly what I'm doing right now. This is the summary of my story. So I'll go ahead and tell ChatGPT exactly what I want. So I'll write, I want to generate music for this movie. And I'll go ahead and hit on this arrow. ChatGPT will give me the lyrics of my song. Title is Bring Her Home. You can see the verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, verse 2, bridge, and the rest. And very important, ChatGPT will give you the star. So the star is very important when you are generating your song so that the AI will know the exact type of song to generate for you. So this is option one, but I like having options. So I will compare, I will know the one that is better. I just like having options. So for the second option, still on ChatGPT, I'll just scroll down to where I got the script of my movie. Then I'm going to give it this simple prompt. So this is basically my movie script. So I'll go ahead and say, now give me a good lyrics for a background music for this video. Then I'll hit generate. Then ChatGPT is giving me another option to generate the same song. So title is still Bring Her Home. This is verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, verse 2, and everything. So I'll just read this through and know the one I prefer. I think I prefer the first one, so I'll go ahead and copy the first one. Then I'll proceed to the second step, which is generating music. Now, the second tool we'll be using is Suno AI. So when you sign up to Suno AI, you are going to be getting 50 free credits daily. And you can use these 50 credits to generate up to 5 different songs. Yes. So I'll say that Suno works for you, whether you're on the free plan or on the pro plan. So again, open your browser, then type in Suno AI. Suno AI. Scroll down and select this one with this exact orange icon. Then it will get you to this interface. Then do well to sign up with your Gmail, of course. This is very important because Suno gives you free 50 credits if you are using the free plan. So if you did not log into the app, you will not be getting the 50 credits. So once you log in, it will get you to this interface. You go ahead and click on create. Here we have two options, simple and advanced. Under simple, you see song description. So here you can just input your song description. But for the purpose of this video, because we already have the lyrics of our song, we already know the kind of song we want to generate. So I'll either click on lyrics and paste the lyrics of my song, or I'll select advanced. Is the same thing. So if you click on advanced, you still see option of where you are going to paste your lyrics. I'll go to ChatGPT, copy the lyrics of my song, then head over to Snow AI and paste it. Then again, I'll go back to ChatGPT to copy the style because ChatGPT also gave me the style of my music. So make sure to read this through and make sure it's exactly what you want. For this, I'm having core Nigerian Nollywood emotional movie soundtrack. So you see, Suno AI will know the type of music it's generating for me. So I'll just paste this in here and check it, know if I want to tweak anything or not. Then I'll go ahead and click on create. and wait for my music to be ready. Yes, Suno AI gives you four variation of the music, even on the free plan. So this is the four options of the same music that Suno AI gave me. So I'll go ahead and listen through. But mind you, you only have access to the first two on the free plan. If you want the third and the fourth music, you will need to subscribe to Suno AI. So now I'll go ahead and listen to the songs and know the one I prefer.
A mother's tears fall through the night, searching heaven for a light. One little heartbeat, one empty bed, 1,000 questions left unsaid. Tiny hands, a silent cry. Only you know where she lies. Hold her close wherever she may be. Bring my baby back to me. Every prayer I whisper, every tear I hide. Hope is all that's left, standing by my side. Bring her.
Yo, this is good. This is so good. So to download this to your device, you just go ahead and select these three dots, then select download. Here on download, you have different options, but if you're using the free plan, you can only download with MP3 audio. Then go ahead and click on download anyway. This is just telling you about the commercial rights. If you need it, you already know what to do. You need to pay for the app. So yes, our song is downloaded to our device.
So if you have watched to this part, consider subscribing to the channel if you are not yet subscribed. Like this video, share, and drop me a really nice comment. Thank you.
So for those using their phone, let me quickly show you how to access this on your phone also. So go ahead and open your browser and type Suno AI. Basically everything we have done with the laptop, just the same process. Type Suno AI and press enter. Then select this particular one with this orange icon. Then go ahead and log in. You need to log in for you to get the credit. Sign up with your Gmail, of course, and go ahead and copy your lyrics. Then head over to Suno. Click on this orange icon. Click on advanced. Then you come down to where you have your lyrics. Then paste your lyrics. Then go ahead and paste it. Then copy your star, come to where you have stars and also paste it there. Once you input this, then you go ahead to click on create. This doesn't take so much of your time. It will give you your four options. Then you listen through and know the one you prefer. Mind you, the first two you can download using the free plan, but the last two is only for those that subscribe to Suno AI. Then for you to download this, click on the three dots, select download, select MP3, and your music is downloaded to your device. So that's basically everything. If you are using your phone, that's the same way to access Suno AI.
Now our music is ready and downloaded to our device. Now we'll go ahead to put it in our already existing video. So this part actually requires your skills and your creativity. Now I've already edited my video on CapCut, so I will just add the music to it.
Yes, we're almost done. For the last step, I'll go ahead and open my CapCut. Then I'll open my video that I want to add the music to. I will have to import my music to the video. So I'm basically dragging the music to my video. So now I'll take this to where I want the music to start. So I'll just go ahead and edit this, cut and trim, reduce the volume at some point. So I'll just play it, match it well, rhyme it well so that it will make sense. So this is basically what I'm doing. I'm listening to the music. I'm trying to make it rhyme to my video.
Yeah, so anyway they are talking, I'll just have to reduce the volume a bit. So I'll just trim, reduce the volume, and also increase the volume where necessary. So this is exactly what I'm doing.
Searching heaven for light.
So here they are talking, I'll have to reduce the volume so that the movie will make sense at the end of the day. So just do your thing, edit your video and make it cool.
Wherever she may be, bring my baby back.
So once you are done editing, doing your thing, you go ahead and click on export. For your resolution, make sure you select 1080p so that everything will still be sharp. Then go ahead and export this and your video is ready.
Yes, we are done editing the video and we've also added the music, and this is exactly what we have.
I can't believe we actually did it. A mother's tears fall through the night, searching heaven for light. One little heartbeat.
They are finally here.
They are perfect.
We love you both.
And I love you so much. Tiny hands, a silent cry. Only you know where she lies. Hold her close wherever she may be. Bring my baby back to me. Every prayer I whisper, every tear I hide, hope is all that's left, standing by my side.
One whole month and still no news of you, my baby.
Bring her home, guide her through the storm.
Brilliant. Shey you see how this music elevated our video. It's so nice. Now if you want unlimited generation using Suno AI, then you will have to consider paying for the tools. Paying for AI tool is not actually a bad investment, but if you need fewer generation, like if you generate music once in a while for your videos, then the free version will serve you just fine. And with that, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. If you got value from this video, kindly hit the subscribe button. It is free. Like this video, share with others, and also leave me a very good comment. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.